From falling objects to sound waves and electricity, this video gives an overview of classical mechanics, thermodynamics, electromagnetism, optics, and acoustics. Classical mechanics is one of the oldest branches of physics. It deals with how objects move and what makes them move. The laws of motion, first described by Isaac Newton, belong to this field. These laws help us understand force, speed, acceleration, and gravity. For instance, what happens to a ball when you throw it or drop it? It is also critical to such fields as engineering and astronomy. Thermodynamics is a study of heat, temperature, and energy. It explains how energy moves from one object to another and how it changes forms. For example, from heat to motion, or from motion to electricity. This field has four main laws which tell us how energy behaves. These laws are used in things like engines, refrigerators, power plants, and even govern how our bodies stay warm. Thermodynamics is also very important in understanding the universe, especially stars, black holes, and the Big Bang. One important idea in thermodynamics is that energy is never lost. It can only change form. This is called the law of conservation of energy. Another key idea is entropy, which explains why things naturally become more disordered over time, like how ice melts into water. Electromagnetism looks at electricity, magnetism, and how they are connected. It is concerned with how electric currents work, how magnets attract or repel, and how light travels. James Clerk Maxwell, born in the 19th century, was a scientist who showed that electricity and magnetism are interconnected. His work led to the idea that light is an electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetism is used in almost everything we use daily: phones, computers, lights, and TVs. It also helps explain how power stations send electricity to our homes and how antennas send signals through the air. Optics is the study of light, how it moves, bends, reflects, and passes through things. Optics is a very useful field in medicine, communication, and photography. It explains how we see, how glasses and microscopes work, and even how rainbows form. Scientists who study optics also work on lasers, cameras, and fiber optics, which send internet signals using light. Acoustics is a study of sound, how it's made, how it moves, and how we hear it. It helps explain how musical instruments work, why some buildings have good or bad sound quality, and how we can stop noise in certain places. Acoustics is used in music, medicine, building design, and even in studying animals like bats and dolphins who use sounds to see their surroundings.